Award of Merit, Renovation, Restoration. Restoration of the historic Cavalier Hotel. The 85-year-old Cavalier Hotel was a premier East Coast resort when it opened, but was put up for auction in 2012 after Virginia Beach went into economic decline. While demolition of the iconic structure seemed inevitable, Virginia Beach developer Bruce Thompson formed a partnership with 5 other local organizations to rehabilitate and restore the hotel. The building, built on a sand dune overlooking the ocean, required extensive structural and facade work. Repairing the structural damage while preserving historic details was a major challenge. Another challenge involved restoring the deteriorated water tower, which was at risk of not being able to support the weight of a cast stone bell tower above.